our commercial citrus juicer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a radius of 7 inches, a depth 12 inches, and the overall height of 16 3/4 inches. Along with your small and large juicing reamers, the large juicing reamer will attach to the small juicing reamer easily. This will attach to the main slot. Below, the compression tool will compress and dispense your juice. For cleaning, the juicing reamers can be removed, along with your main cup and strainer. An additional strainer will also be included. Measurements for the cup, we have 7 inches in radius by 4 3/4 inches in height. All 3 components can be removed and inserted back right onto the machine easily. Dispense nozzle. Coming to the bottom will be the removable strainer. Coming to the back will be the 110/120 voltage plug. On the side, the power button, along with the user manual that will be included. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.